In this video, I'll show you how to replace a thermostat in a 2000 Chevy Silverado. There's many different vehicles that this video will work for. For the most part, most vehicles are pretty similar when it comes to thermostats. First, you're going to drain some antifreeze out of the vehicle. The petcock is located on the lower driver's side of the radiator. Remove the wires for the mass airflow sensor. You're going to push in on this clip here, and then you can pull it out. Then you're going to use a 5/16 nut driver to take off both ends of the air intake. Once you pull the air intake out of the way, you can look down on the passenger side of the engine and you'll see the thermostat housing. Use either a vice grips or a hose clamp removal tool and remove that clamp. Then take the two 10mm bolts off the housing. Clean up the surface on the block with some brake cleaner, your wire brush, and your scraper. You can just replace the thermostat, but I replaced the whole housing. Align the new thermostat housing up. Make sure both bolts are started before you torque them. The torque specs for this is 21 foot-pounds. Then reinstall your hose back on, reinstall your air intake, tighten it down, and then hook back up your mass airflow sensor. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to get more short and to the point how-to videos like this. That saves you time so you can get more done.